Council teams in the UK often look after hundreds of miles of highway. For the last few decades, it has been common for weeds on these roads to be treated with thousands of litres of glyphosate. Although this method has been widely employed, it is coming under intense scrutiny, with public perception, lawsuits, and some scientific data leading to its being restricted and even banned in certain areas of the UK. Weather and other environmental factors, such as proximity to water, also affect its use. These considerations have sparked the need for alternative methods of weed control to be employed. No one tool is truly a silver bullet when it comes to weeds. Instead, councils should be looking for an integrated approach with different methods being carried out throughout the year. Integrated weed control isn't just the latest buzzword. It's a different way of thinking about weeds. Weeds are really a symptom of a deeper surface maintenance problem. They appear only when a series of conditions are met that allow their growth. The first contributing factor is the soil cycle. It is soil which provides most of the nutrients and water storage that gives weeds the opportunity to grow on hard surfaces, such as streets and pavements. A clean tarmac or block paved surface has no nutrients to offer an opportunistic weed. In the summer and autumn, organic debris is constantly being left on the surface, in the form of grass cuttings, hedge clippings, and leaves. When these decompose into soil, it gives an opportunity for weeds to grow. Once soil is established and seeds hit the ground, there is another process we need to worry about: the plant life cycle. From seed to mature plant, the general rule is that the earlier you treat the weed, the more effective it is. But at minimum, we want to be treating the plant before it drops fresh seeds and starts the cycle all over again. There are key times of year when different parts of the strategy will be more important or effective than others, due to the effects of seasonal weather and other maintenance on the soil cycle and plant life cycle. We can use this knowledge to time different types of treatment so we yield the best results. Sweeping is most important in late summer and autumn, when there is an abundance of leaves, deadfall, grass clippings, hedge trimmings, and other debris to remove. Weed brushing can be done over the winter when it is more difficult to use other treatment methods due to the wet weather. It will also have the greatest effect when done before the next growing season, as it minimises the soil which weeds can use to grow in. Heat treatment is best carried out in spring, before the new weed growth becomes too established. New weeds have less energy stored in their roots, so can be killed in less applications. Treatment before it gets too hot and dry in the summer also reduces any potential fire risk. We've developed tractor-mounted solutions specifically for tackling the many miles of highway faced by councils each year, making Kersten equipment a viable, scalable solution for dealing with weeds across a whole town or borough, as well as our popular pedestrian machines for smaller sites and narrow access areas.